Good morning. It is Wednesday, August 14th, 2019. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So today was the first day of school. So got up at 6, got the kids out to school. I have been kind of dreading this day, but we all put ourselves to bed early. I did a lot of meditation last night, took some melatonin. I got up this morning, took the kids to school. I have worked out, I've showered, and I'm ready to roll. I've got my mind in the right space. Guys, I listen to a book quite often called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, and it has changed my life. It's made me much more conscious. It puts me in the moment. Speaking of the moment, I missed my moment for my short. I've been watching it, but it's okay. There'll be lots more moments coming up. Today is Wednesday. Every other Wednesday, I have someone that comes and cleans our house, and so I let them take over my space. So I'm going to try and see what I can knock out before then. If I can't, then we'll just come back to it later when they're done in my room. But let's go and check this puppy out. First, let's start with the daily chart. I said ugh because it's coming right back down to that same spot. So, you know, we're in the middle of two areas, right? So we're bouncing back and forth. Just making a little bit of a wedge here, just getting tighter and tighter and tighter. All right, it's making it too big for me to be able to grab it. All right behind this spot, if it grabbed me. Didn't get me. There we go. Well, that was a quick out. Let's grab this next one. Oh, come here. There we go, right behind there. Love the way these BBs are popping up. It could definitely pull back down, but this has a lot more opportunity to go up than down. I'll keep pulling up because it's getting to a space where it really could push back down. And I don't want to see it push all the way back down in here. There we go. Go right behind this little bar as it pulled back. Let's see if we can't get this to drop down. Right behind here. It might pull back, guys. So I'm just, there we go. Yeah. Back even deeper. I'm gonna have to get rid of this 233. I think I'm using it too religiously. Pull back, clean, rock, clean, rock. There we go. Right there. Pull my 610 over so I'm not so jumpy and quick on the moves. Right behind that bar if I can. There we go. Oh yeah, got me back there. Good, perfect. All right, this is a big space for it to pop back to, y'all, so I want to be careful with this last one. But that's why I had to move over my 610. That 233 was just way too quick, and I was jumping in to trades. I was trying to hit the close button, but couldn't get to it. I was jumping into trades way too ahead of time. So I have 6 trades, 13 points right now. I got about 30 more minutes, and actually, we may just call it a day after that. It pulled back a little bit further. Had I left my risk at a break even, I'd still be in it. right back into this area that's held a lot. And look what's happening to the MACDs here. Not a lot. There is 8,000, 9,000 ticks, so it could definitely roll over, especially with the strength that's happening here. But we got a higher pivot so far in the MACDs here. We're having a slowdown on the 610. So I think I'm just going to wait. I'm going to take this off. I actually think I'm going to stop for now. So I'm going to go back and mark these for the moment. I'm going to move this to the 233 actually, so we can see it even better. Yesterday I was having all kinds of data problems. I wanted to be a part of it. I had to do a lot. And thank you, Bob, for helping me. You know, one of the great things about being part of this community is so many people are willing to help whenever you're having issues. I like to think that I'm one of them. So I jumped the gun on the first one. So that was minus 2.5. So far that's 6 trades, which is probably, y'all, I'm done for the day. We'll go ahead and put this on here. 6 trades, 2 losses, loses, 3 wins, 1 break even, plus 13 points. And all that in about 30 minutes. The more that I'm thinking about it, that's my 13 points for the day, done in 30 minutes. A little less than 30 minutes, I think. My first trade started at 8:36. My last trade ended at 8:46. So literally 13 points in 10 minutes. Now, those 2 losses, I do believe they could have been avoided. My first one, jump the gun, it's my MO. It's what I do. I'm working on that. My second one definitely could have been avoided. I did chase a little bit, but when you have a lot of confidence and direction, you can chase. I don't want to say you can chase, but you can manage that trade properly so that those things don't hinder you from making profits following them. The break even, I think, was an amazing decision. The break even was a good decision. I chased that trade and I knew I chased it, so I moved it down to a break even pretty quickly. Now, seeing an exit and knowing I chased it, I think I went a little outside of my rules that I have up here, that I should have exited that trade. But besides that, y'all, 10 minutes trading, you can look at how this played itself out, right? So this one actually kicked me out for an extra tick. It flew back and just boom, grabbed it a little bit further. I don't think I moved it up an extra tick. There's a chance that I did. I'll have to watch my video to know what I did. You know, I started out a lot of the day in the red. I was barely in the positive here, got another big one, and instead of giving up, I continued with what I saw happening. But I am done for the day. Oh, I don't want to be, but I am, because people are showing up at my house in 5 minutes. So, and I've told myself that once they show up here, I'm leaving the house to work on things that I need to work on. I have a few videos that I need to get edited to put in the vault so we can have the full video in there, because I have to take out all my edits from here if you want to have the full video in the vault. I think I've got 4 that I need to get edited and get in there. I have a couple of emails I need to answer. I've got some people to get together with on homework. But otherwise, guys, you wise guys. But you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.